Hey there! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the NIIMBOT B21 Inkless Label Maker, the best Jingchen Label Maker available. The NIIMBOT B21 is a compact and portable thermal label printer perfect for clothing, address, and business labeling needs. It is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, making it versatile for all users. The printer is inkless, so you never have to worry about running out of ink. It prints labels at a fast speed of 2.4 inches, keeping your life organized and efficient. One of the standout features of the NIIMBOT B21 is its powerful wireless connectivity. The printer can auto-identify label paper and offers a range of functions through the free NIIMBOT app. With 20+ fonts, 1,000+ icons, and 100+ borders, you can create custom label designs easily. The printer is also waterproof, tear-resistant, and self-adhesive, making it durable for various labeling needs. Using the NIIMBOT B21 is easy and hassle-free. Simply download the NIIMBOT app from the Apple Store or Google Play, connect to the printer via Bluetooth, and start printing. The printer is compatible with PC, but not recommended for use with iPad. You can print labels in widths ranging from 0.8 inches to 2 inches, allowing for diverse labeling applications. The NIIMBOT B21 is versatile and can be used for a variety of labeling needs. From product labels to address labels, ingredient labels, and even clothing labels, this printer can handle it all. It comes with one pack of 50 by 30 mm labels to get you started, and you can use different styles of thermal label tapes for unique label designs. In conclusion, the NIIMBOT B21 Inkless Label Maker is a powerful and versatile thermal label printer that is perfect for various labeling needs. Its inkless printing, fast speed, and wireless connectivity make it a standout product in the market. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and compact label maker, the NIIMBOT B21 is the perfect choice. That's it for today's review of the NIIMBOT B21 Inkless Label Maker. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy labeling!